We have another FunDelivered box. Welcome back, everyone. This is my second FunDelivered. Let's hope it's better than the last one. This box is $124.99. It is the plus box. Can include undelivered mail, of course, returns, overstocks, and you never know what you're going to get. My last box wasn't that great, but as I've said many times before, you take a risk. You can get some good stuff, bad stuff. Last box, I gave away a couple of things. Most of it just donated. Wasn't a great box. Okay, here's a first look. They burn out their addresses, so most time you cannot see where it's coming from. I will try to move through this quickly. Okay, first we have a Moses t-shirt. And it says, first man with the tablet who downloaded data from the cloud. And it has no tag, so don't know the name. Moving along. Okay, this box is a little open, so we'll go ahead and... Oh, okay. It's a jump starter. So this was probably an overstock. It's not even wrapped or anything. That's a jump starter with the air compressor. These are always very useful. That's going to be nice to have. And if I can find the prices of these, I will put it on the screen. Okay, this one does not have a label on it, so maybe it's an overstock. Also, Tope, T-O-P-K, looks like a phone holder, like for in your car. Next, oh, there's the little card, FunDelivered. Okay, this one was wrapped by FunDelivered, so more than likely overstock. Wrapping. 3D acrylic gel pens. And the box is damaged, but all the pens seem to be there. The gel pens. Alrighty. Next we have a silver package, and once again this does not look like a undelivered. It looks like maybe an overstock that FunDelivered packaged themselves. Some hair accessories. Okay. Another one wrapped by FunDelivered, so not a lot of undelivered mail unless it's something they had to rewrap. Maybe they had a lot of overstocks they needed to get rid of. Okay, this one, they taped it. Oh, okay, I see. Maybe this one was an undelivered and it came open. It looks like they taped it, but when they taped it, it went through the box. So it is stuck to the box. Okay. Turbo. Oh no. It's some sort of turbo jet fan. Turbo jet fan. I will open that just to see because the picture on the top of the box is messed up. Okay. Turbo jet fan. Alright. Have to look that up. Another overstock, and it does say overstock right here. And it did take me longer to get this one. My last one I had within a couple of days. This one took probably almost 2 weeks, but they do tell you when to, next delivery or so. Not too bad. And it's coming from Florida, and I do live on the East Coast. Okay, this is another one of those neon sign things. Good Vibes LED neon mirror. Well, that's pretty cool. That's the first time I've seen a mirror. Okay, next. Okay, there's something in the box. That's from the Moses tea. It's all in Japanese, so that was, I don't know. Okay, this is a okay, Walmart return. Let's see what's in here. Looks to be clothing. It's a pair of sweatpants. And they are a size 3 extra large, no name. Just a pair of sweatpants. Got 3 more boxes left, or bags boxes. Wow, this feels like pool noodles that have been cut. And this is wrapped by FunDelivered. This item arrived to us open, ordered with damaged packaging. So our team rewrapped it to keep your unboxing a surprise. Let's see what this could be. Oh, I was close. I was very close. Some kind of pool noodle toy. I think you put these in a pool almost like a water gun, and you squirt water out of it. I will be giving those away. Okay, now this is a trendy household. I'm assuming this is overstock. I'm really surprised by the lack of undelivered mail, but it's okay. It's funner, I think, when you get the undelivered. Alright. Let's see what, wow, what is this? It's like some kind of, okay, it's got the steaks. Does it say on here? Oh, it doesn't say what it is on here. It's some kind of, let's pull this out. Okay. Oh, it looks like a, it's a little shelving unit. I'll show you. I can always use that in my she shed. I will probably be keeping that. But the shelves are like the cloth. It might be a shoe rack, because I've seen shoe racks like that. Okay. Next we have a purple. Let's see. This is probably overstocked. Purple packaging. It feels like a box inside. Ooh. It is a Valberto Contour Memory Foam Pillow. I just bought me a memory foam pillow. I guess I bought it too quick. But I will have to look this up. See the price. Yep, I bought one very similar to that. Oh well. Okay, well that's it, guys. Okay, I have to go through everything, see the price, but I don't think it was that bad of a box. Not a lot of quote-unquote undelivered mail, but more seems to be overstock, or they had to repackage it. But I do think this one was a lot better than my last one. So, tell me what you guys think. And until next time, bye.